Let's take 3 easy calming breaths and relax. Inhale and fill your belly. Hold and exhale to release the past. Take in your second breath. Let go of any worries. Once more, breathe in, hold, and exhale anything that doesn't serve you. We begin. My inner child is perfect. I embrace the inner child in me. I feel cherished. I feel valued. I am wanted. I am embraced. I am unique. I feel safe. I love being safe. I love being cocooned. Love and care is lavished on me. Security wraps around me. I love being secure. I love being held. I love being pampered. I enjoy attention. I bask in the glow of attention. I deserve nurture. I deserve to blossom. I deserve to be loved. I deserve to be valued. I deserve to be praised. I deserve to be elevated. I deserve to be respected. I deserve to be wanted. I deserve peace. Love surrounds my little self. Love is freely given. Love is freely received. I am lovable just the way I am. It's easy for me to love. I feel whole. I am whole. I love being whole. I am enough. I have enough. I am complete. I sense joy. I am joy-filled. Joy is in my cells. Joy is in my mind. Joy is in my body. My entire self is nurtured. My inner peace knows no limits. My inner child is loved. The past is healed. The present is safe. The future is limitless. I am loving with myself. I am loved by the universe. I am welcomed. I feel loved. I feel understood. I feel worthy. I feel precious. I feel treasured. I feel special. I feel unique. I feel adored. I am uplifted. I am valuable. I am praised. It is safe to laugh. It is safe to cry. It is safe to express myself. I feel secure. I feel supported. I feel connected. I feel grateful for the nurture. I feel grateful to my elders. I am seen. I am special. I am important. I am appreciated. I am fully me. I am destined for great things. I connect with my inner child. I embrace my innocence. I know kindness. My inner child is sweet. My inner child is curious. My inner child is playful. My inner child is healthy. My inner child is restored. I am my lovable inner child.